Hello everyone, welcome back to the Checkered Guy YouTube channel. Valentine's Day is all about sharing love, but when it comes to discount, you don't want to give away too much love. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Valentine's Day discount in Shopify with a cap like 40% off up to $200. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting up this 40% off up to $200, I'm using a next discount app which is available in the Shopify app store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out and follow along. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on create new discount. Now you can choose the discount code as the discount type. Now you can add any discount code. For now, I am adding just a 40% off with a percentage of 40 and a cap amount as the 200. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 200. Even though the 40% of the cart value is higher than 200, our cap amount ensures that the maximum discount amount will be only 200. And now you can apply this discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. Now I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirements. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order customers like that. And also you can limit the number of time the discount can be used in total. And you can limit the usage of this code per customer only one time like that. And you can also set some active dates through which this code is active. Like you can set some start date or an end date or a start time or end time. Like if you need to run this offer on the 10 days before Valentine's Day or on 2 days before or a month, like that you can set up the dates on this active day section. And you can also combine your offer with current or existing discounts like product discount, shipping discount or order discount like that. So after adding all the details, you can save it. Now from discount section, I am checking whether my code has been activated. Yeah, now you can see that this 40% off has been activated. Now we can just test this up in our online store. So I am trying to buy product of 234. I'm adding this product to the cart. Now I'm applying my code here. So you can see that the 40% of the cart value has been applied successfully. So the full 40% of the MRP I have received with this product and this code. Now let's test with some other product having some higher price. So I'm trying to buy this product of worth $5,000. So we can just apply the code. Now you can see that the code has been applied, but the 40% of the 5,000 is greater than 200. But we have set some cap amount limit for this code. Hence, the customers will never get any amount which is greater than the 200. So this cap amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 200. This is how the cap amount work. So why you are waiting for? If you need this to be tested in your Shopify store, just grab the link in the description and just try it on your online store. So if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thanks for watching.